Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope that everyone out there is doing well today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today guys, I am super excited because I am actually going to be sharing with you the Fumi x Juvia'S Queen collection. Now, if you're not familiar with Fumi, she is a YouTuber with about 40,000 subscribers. She's 50 years old and just became a mother not long ago for the first time. So she is pretty much breaking all the odds and doing her thing, and I absolutely adore her. I have been watching Fumi for quite some time, and she is just beautiful, positive, and just a ball of energy, and I absolutely adore her. So when I saw that she was coming out with a collab from Juvia'S, I knew regardless of what it was that I would purchase it just to support her and all the positivity that she brings to YouTube. Now, with that said, let me go ahead and share this collection with you. First and foremost, it is what I'm wearing on my face today. I actually played with it a bit before sharing it with you, and I am absolutely in love. It's an absolutely beautiful collection. To start, it comes in a box like this, and it has a picture of Fumi inside of the Queen of Hearts. And I think this is absolutely stunning. The box is well put together. The Juvia'S in gold on the front. This is a box that you can keep and store other things in. It's just a beautiful, beautiful box. The packaging is lovely. So I put everything back in after I played with it just to show you guys what it looks like. So inside the box you have the collection. I did take out the foam padding that came in it. You have the 2 lip glosses that were on top, and this one is in the color Fumi, and this one is in the color Royalty, and again the packaging with the picture of Fumi on the front and again on the back inside of the Queen of Hearts. Love it. And then we have the palette, which the packaging again has a picture of Fumi on the front. Now I did buy I bought the entire collection, so there was a makeup bag included that I still haven't opened. But let's go ahead and take a look at that since we're looking at everything else. Oh, this is very nice. Very nice. It is a gorgeous red glossy makeup case with a picture of Fumi on the front. This is going to be great to store this collection in, to carry on the go, to put inside of my larger makeup bag. I absolutely love it, love it. And the material, like I said, it's like a, I guess it's a red glossy vinyl, and it feels pretty good. It feels pretty sturdy and like it would hold up to some good use. Right, that is absolutely gorgeous. I'm glad I actually ordered the whole collection. This is very cute. All right, enough about that. Let's go on and take a look at the palette and the lip glosses. What I'm gonna do is just share it with you, and then I'm gonna do some swatches, and I'm gonna tell you what I have on my face, and I'm gonna give you my overall thoughts. So I'm gonna try to make this quick. Like I said, I put this back. Let me go ahead and pop the palette open. Now this palette, that's what the front of the palette looks like. Now this palette has 6 shades in it. I know that 6 shades isn't a really large palette, but these colors are gorgeous and you can use them for so many different things. Again, inside we have Fumi inside of the Queen of Hearts, and here are the colors. The colors are named after things that were important to Fumi. The first one, this gorgeous purple, is Adrian, which is the name of her son. The second one, this beautiful, beautiful red, is Ula. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, who's her husband. And then there's just some other things like Glam, which is this gorgeous like bronze, I don't want to say much, like bronze shimmery shade. And then we have FDV approved. If you watch Fumi, you know when she reviews a product, she always say, is this FDV approved? So she names a shade after that. And that's actually what I have in my tear duct today. And the next one is Sister to Sister, and this is like this is named after the talks that she gives sometimes, and she calls it Sister to Sister. And then she did say what 7 was, I'm not sure, but I know it's significant to her as well, and that's like a gorgeous fuchsia shade. So let's go ahead and swatch these real quick. I'm going to start with Adrian, which is the purple. Let's go ahead, I'm going to swatch them right here inside my arm. That's like 2 swipes. Now every shade in this palette is very pigmented, and they are buildable, and I learned that with definitely with the highlighter today, because I put it on my face. I had to tone it way down because it was bright. Okay, so here are all the shades swatched on my arm. here we have Adrian, we have Ula, we have Glam. This color is gorgeous, gorgeous. They all are, but I absolutely love Glam. And then we have FDV Approved, we have Sister to Sister, and we have 7. All of the shades in here are absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna share with you what I have on, and I'll just throw little clips in. What I did is I started out with Sister to Sister, and I put that all over my eyelid, from top to bottom. And then I went in with Ula, and I put that in my crease and a little above my crease, blending it up above my crease. After I finished applying Ula, I went in with 7. And 7 is that beautiful fuchsia shade, and I applied that right on the edges of Ula, and I blended it up a bit. And then for my outer corner, I applied the purple, which is Adrian, and in my inner corner and on my cheekbone here, I applied FDV Approved. These colors are absolutely stunning. Now, I don't have a snippet of me applying the highlighters. I did the eyeshadows, and then I popped off camera and put on my full face, and then I applied my highlighter, so I don't have footage of that, but that's what I have on. Just as a quick side note, I neglected to mention that I put Glam on my lid, and I sprayed it with a little bit of Fix Plus before I did that to give it a little extra oomph. On my cheekbone here is FDV Approved, and right in my inner corner, as well as on my brow bone. And then for my blush today, I actually used Ula as well, which is this bright red here. And when I put it on, it was super bright, so I did have to kind of buff it out and tone it down a bit, because I guess I put a little bit more than I should have on the brush, and it was bright. So I did tone it down a bit for my taste, and I absolutely love it. Like I said, you get 6 shades, but these 6 shades can do so much. I mean, you can create a variety of different looks. Like I said, you have your blushes, you have your eyeshadows, you have your highlighters, and it's just a wonderful little palette. I absolutely love it. Congratulations, Fumi. Great job. I love the palette, and I know that I'll be using this quite a bit. So in addition to the palette, we also have 2 lip glosses that she created. One I'm wearing today. I decided to go with the more neutral lip today, and this one is called Royalty. And Royalty is just a nice neutral color that would work on a variety of skin colors. And that's what that looks like. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Like I said, this is what I have on my lips today. So, and it feels really good. It's a thicker gloss, but it gives you really good coverage. What I have on my lips is only 1 dip of the wand in the product, and it covered my entire lip. As a matter of fact, I actually dabbed a little bit off of the wand before applying it onto my lips. So it has really, 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 really good coverage. It feels good, and it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. The other lip gloss in the collection is called Fumi. It's a really, really deep burgundy-ish color. I actually tried it on for you, and I will stick a picture in here somewhere so you can see what this looks like on. But I'll also go ahead with this one, since I don't have it on my lips, and do a quick swatch. This is what it looks like. It's a doe foot applicator. And we're gonna go ahead and swatch that right there. Look at that. I said burgundy. This is really a deep, deep, deep purple. Look at that. Gosh, it's absolutely beautiful. So for my final thoughts on this, I think the collection was really, really nice. It wasn't too large. You know, it wasn't a large collection, but what she put in the collection was really well thought out. And like I said, it has multiple uses. This palette here, the colors are very vibrant and very bold, but if you've ever watched Fumi, you definitely know this is her thing. She definitely loves a bright, bold look, and these colors scream Fumi. So they're absolutely beautiful. Now, this may not be for someone who doesn't like bright colors, but even if, I take that back, because you could probably get a lighter neutral, a lighter look out of this. You don't have to go so bold. Just use the lighter hand with the product and really blend it out. And you can create a softer look, and maybe not something quite as bold or quite as bright. Like I said, the colors work in so many different ways. You can cut your crease to get a little bit more depth. There's so many different things that you can do with this. And the price for this is $50 for the entire collection, which includes the palette, the 2 lip glosses, and the makeup bag. But if you just want to purchase the products individually, you can do that as well. The palette retails for $15 and each of the lip glosses is $10. And if you wanted the bag is $16. So I think that the products are very fairly priced for what you get. And I love it. I absolutely love it. But anyway, guys, that's all that I have today. I really just wanted to take a moment and share this with you. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you'll go over and watch Fumi and maybe even consider picking up this product line if the color scheme is something that you're interested in. Juvia'S really does make some really good products. I have a bunch of their other palettes as well. And for the price that they charge, the pigment is amazing. So you really can't go wrong with the Juvia'S palette. Well, again, guys, that's all that I had for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Before you go, if you would consider subscribing, turning on the notification bell, and giving this video a like, I would truly appreciate it. Thank you for spending a part of your day with me today. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.